Hi there, I'm Katie for RustiKate and RustiKate DIY, and today I'm going to be showing you an unboxing. I got this in the mail, mystery package from my friend Sarah, and her and her husband have the Dan and Sarah Makers YouTube channel, and they're always doing really cool things, so it's really fun to check in with them. She's been talking about a sewing project and maybe doing a creative collaboration with me, so I'm excited to see what's in this package. She creates her own fabric and makes her own patterns, and I will show you what I have in this mystery package. All right, here we go. Let's see what treasures we have. Oh, it looks cool. This must be one of her new fabrics. She started designing fabric on spoon flower. Okay, let's check this out. Just a second, you gonna help? That's my daughter in the background. Oh, that's so cool. So I'm gonna hold this up. I changed the camera angle and hold it up to kind of show you what it looks like. This is actually really cool. It printed out really well on the spoon flower. It is very retro with the combination of the green, the white, and the pink. And it's deer or elk with a tree background and then the snowflakes. So this would be super easy to make either a tablecloth or a scarf or a Eurosham with. So I'm going to definitely take up this challenge to do something creative with this and combine it with tatting. And I am excited to show you what that ends up being. I think I'm going to either line it or I will hem it first on the sewing machine, and then I'll come back and do a tatted edge or embellishment on it. Stay tuned to see what the next step is and what this turns into with the tatting challenge that Sarah has given me.